I'm Diki Darmawan. I'm from 1E10. I'm a bachelor from Buddha Dharma University, and I'm gonna describe about Lee Cooper brand. Lee Cooper, found by Maurice Cooper at 1908. Lee Cooper brand is an English clothing company operating worldwide that designs the style of many Lee Cooper branded items, including denim jeans, subsidiary of the American brand management Iconics brand. The head office is located in London, England. The company originally produced workwear for export and began to specialize in denim jackets and trousers in the 1930s. In 2013, Iconics Brand Group acquired Lee Cooper from Sun Capital Partners. The brand that eventually became Lee Cooper was established in 1908 by Maurice Cooper and a friend, Louis Meister. After they arrived in London from their hometown, Lithuania, having previously spent some time in South Africa. Operating under the name M. Cooper Ltd. from premises on Middlesex Street in London, East End. They began production of workwear, having identified a market for it in South Africa. During the years of the First World War, Maurice Cooper, which by then employed over 600 people, held production of workwear and began making uniforms, kit bags and rucksacks for the British Army. In 1907, a new factory dedicated to the manufacture of denim was opened in Stratford, with the business reporting a profit of €1,000 by year end. The outbreak of the Second World War in 1939 led Maurice Cooper to split the business into two. One arm continued making workwear, while the other concentrated on producing military uniform, battle fatigues, and flight overalls. Maurice Cooper eventually became one of the armed force's biggest suppliers. Maurice Cooper died in 1940, and his son, Harold Cooper, took over the business upon his return from active service. He said about modern the company and building on its wartime success, switching focus to casual wear and denim production, and taking advantage of the production of clothes rationing to increase competitiveness as part of a rebranding strategy. The company was restrained, with Harold adding a version of his wife's family name, Leif, to his own to create Lee Cooper. Lee Cooper jeans were adopted by the youth counterculture of the 1950s and 1960s, and Harold capitalized on this association by sponsoring Rolling Stones tour and working with Serge Gainsbourg and Jane Birkin. The company caused a degree of moral outrage in 1953 by introducing the zip front to women's jeans, and commissioned a series of bold publicity campaigns, some of them incorporating fictionist designers such as the Italian Alfredo Angelos, in order to appeal subculture such as the mods, who favored continental style. The late 1970s saw expansion of production, with the company opening factories in Ireland, France, and Tunisia, and by the middle of 1980s, these facilities were producing between 40,000 and 45,000 garments per week. During this time, annual turnover grew to more than 100 million euro. Lee Cooper was also one of the main pitchside sponsor at the 1984 European Championships in France. In 1989, the Cooper family sold their majority stakes in the business, and since then Lee Cooper has become a lifestyle brand, operating in more than 70 markets across the world. In 2008, the company celebrated its century. This is my Lee Cooper backpack. It's got 2 zippers, and this is the Lee Cooper. It's all I got. I'm from Bina Dharma University. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.